Hello everyone. So welcome to new topic. So from this video we are going to start another um, new chapter in the microbiology, that is parasitology. So in this video today we are going to classify the various parasites. I mean we are going to study the detail about the classification of the various parasites. So parasitology, the parasites are basically classified into two groups. So one is protozoa and another is helminth. Again, the parasitology is classified into two groups. One is protozoa and another is helminth. The protozoa is classified into flagellates, sporozoa, ciliata and amoeboids. And the helminth is classified into cystode, trematode and nematode. So again, these cystodes, trematode and nematodes are again classified into various subtypes. So first of all, let us discuss about the protozoa. So protozoa is classified into flagellates, sporozoa, ciliata and amoeboids. In the flagellates, there are various organisms like Giardia lamblia, which causes giardiasis, Trichomonas vaginalis, which causes vaginosis. And the sporozoa, there are various organisms like Plasmodium species, Babsia species and Toxoplasma. The Plasmodium species causes malaria and the Toxoplasma causes the toxoplasmosis. In the ciliata, we have Balantidium. It is the Balantidium coli. It causes the colitis. And in the amoeboids, there is Entamoeba histolytica and Neisseria. It causes amoebic dysentery. So again, the protozoa is classified into flagellates, sporozoa, ciliata and amoeboids. Again, in those there are various organisms. Now let us talk about the helminth. We finished the protozoa and now we are talking about the helminth. So in the helminth, there are cystodes, trematode and nematodes. Now first of all, let us talk about cystodes. The cystodes are the tapeworms. They are also known as the tapeworms. They are tape-like structures. So in this figure I have shown, there is no any specification in the male and female. In one organism there is presence of both male and female. So various examples of the cystodes are Tinea solium, it is the pork tapeworm. Tinea saginata, it is the beef tapeworm. Hymenolopis nana, it is the dwarf tapeworm. Diphyllobothrium latum, it is the fish tapeworm. Echinococcus granulosus and Echinococcus multilocaris, it is the dog tapeworm. So these all Tinea solium, Tinea saginata, Hymenolopis nana, Diphyllobothrium latum, Echinococcus granulosus and Echinococcus multilocaris comes under the cystodes. They are the tape-like structures. Now let us talk about the trematode. So trematode is also known as the flukes. They are the leaf-like structures. And there is also no clear distinction between male and female. So in the one organisms, there is both male and female is present and there is no mating between the male and female. One organism produces the progeny. We'll discuss that detail in the upcoming videos. So the trematode are again classified into various types. That means trematodes also known as the fluke. So there are blood trematode, that means blood flukes. There is the liver fluke, there is long flukes and there is intestinal fluke. The blood fluke are known as Schistosoma hematobium. The liver fluke, there is Fasciola hepatica. The long fluke, there is Paragonimus westermani. And the intestinal fluke, there is Fasciolopus buschki. So in the trematode, we discuss about the blood fluke, liver fluke, long fluke and intestinal fluke. Now let us discuss about the nematode. So nematode are the elongated cylindrical organism. but there is clear distinction between male and female. That means there is mating. The progeny is obtained from mating between the male and female organism of the nematode. So again, it is classified into two types: intestinal human nematode and somatic human nematodes. So the intestinal human nematodes consist of small intestine human nematodes. In the small intestine human nematode, there are Ascaris lumbricoides and Ankylostoma duodenale and Nematode americans. And in the large intestine, there is Trichuris trichuria. We also call it as whipworm, and Enterobius vermicularis. It is known as the pinworm. And there are another group of the nematode, that is somatic human nematode. In the somatic human nematode, there is lymphatic somatic human nematode. It is known as, there are Wisteria bancrofti, we also known as the filaria. It causes filariasis, Burgea melai. And in the skin we have Lua loa and Dracunculus medinensis. In the mesentery it has the Mansolema species, and in the conjunctiva we have again Lua loa. So these are the various classification of the parasites. Again I am going to revise fast. So the parasitology, mainly it is divided into two groups, protozoa and helminth. In the protozoa you have flagellates, sporozoa, ciliata and amoeboids. And in the helminths we have cystodes, trematode and nematode. The cystodes are the tapeworms. The trematode, again trematode is the fluke. The trematode is again classified into blood flukes, liver fluke, long fluke and intestinal fluke. The nematode, we have the nematode. In nematode it is again classified into two types, intestinal nematode and somatic nematode. The intestinal human nematode, we have small intestine human nematode and large intestine human nematode. In the somatic human nematode we have lymphatic somatic human nematode, the somatic human nematode which infects the skin, which infects the mesentery, and which infects the conjunctiva. So this is the detailed classification of the parasitology. So in the upcoming videos we are going to discuss each and every parasite in detail. That means the clinically important parasites we are going to discuss in detail. Thank you.